Good afternoon, all. Welcome to the channel Sense the Market. One more time. Today, we will be talking about the Amibroker Pro Masterclass. In this particular course that I have designed, you will get lots of things, lots of benefit, and also immense amount of information that will be really beneficial for you throughout your trading journey. There is no use of indicator at all into this masterclass. We don't use any indicators. No VWAP, no RSI, no MACD, no cloud, nothing like that. So how we designed this particular Pro Masterclass is purely based on price action. If you know how to read candle, that means this course, this content is for you. So this content is only for equity, or you can say FN underlying script that we particularly trade. So based on this one, based on your own capacity, you can trade future, call option, put option, or even equity. It's not valid for Nifty or Bank Nifty. It's good for the underlying FNO scripts that I recommend, although you can use as many scripts as you want and you can trade those one as well based on your interest. So I will show you today how we actually trade this one and how this scanner actually works. So the Pro Masterclass has the scanner, the Amibroker scanner that comes with it, and it comes with the lifetime validity. So first thing you will get in the masterclass is the Amibroker scanner with the Amibroker itself as well. Then you will get 5 different ways of selecting stocks. You will get 5 different strategies that we can call as the setups. You can call as 5 different setups plus one more bonus setup that I recently included in it. And then for Nifty and Bank Nifty, I personally train you for order flow. On the basis of order flow, I will teach you how to trade Nifty and Bank Nifty. So before getting into further delay, let's jump into how this one works. So with the Amibroker scanner, I will teach you exactly how the interface works. But let's select the date, which is the Friday's trading session, 2nd of September. And then when you hit the scan button, so out of 200 symbols, we will narrow down all the way to 9 symbols. Out of 200 symbols, you will get only 9 symbols to trade for the day. And for those 9 symbols, you can select 1 or 2 that you feel comfortable for trading. So this scanner works at 9:15. So at 9:15 to 9:20, you can press at any time. I will recommend at 9:20 because it closes the first candle, the first 5-minute candle. And you hit the scan button. And as soon as you hit the scan button, you will get a nice list of stocks to look for. You don't know if it's going to go up or it's going to go down. That's why we have the strategies, the setups that will help you to choose the right direction. So when I click on Astral, you will see the Astral pipings has this particular setup, right? You can see clearly right here, it is going up. So we actually enter at around 9:25, the first 2 candles when they close. We enter after 9:25 and we keep into the trade till we have the exit. I will teach you when to exit, how to exit into the masterclass. And at the bottom, you can see this blue background with a specially volume coded. This is a special volume that is coded into. That's why you will see some of the bars, even the smaller in the size, has color, and the bigger bars they don't have color into. So the blue with the 3 dots, the purple with 1 dot, and green with 2 dots. You will see it. This is special volume that is coded into, and this will guide you at the beginning, 9:15 to 9:20, the first 5 minutes. You enter, you scan, it will show you the box at the top. So this means this particular stock might give you a probable movement. Based on our strategy, we enter at the high of the second candle or around 9:25, and then you are in the trade, you go for it. That is also completely based on the first two candles. The orientation of the first two candles is very important. Like when you click on Adani ANT, Adani ENT was forming a nice setup, but the entry was at around mid afternoon, at around 12 o'clock. Right, you can clearly see right here one dot, two dot, and two dots. Right here, straight somewhere around you enter and you go for somewhere around 30 points to 40 points of profit. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, clearly a nice movement to catch for. You can see two dots with the box. This is a special volume. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. I will teach you how to trade and what to do in case of one dot, what to do in case of two dots, and what to do in case of three dots, and what to do if there is no dot. Right. So this is a nice uh, stock that we have selected. Also, we missed it, but we have selected later in the afternoon. It was really good, and it went all the way up. At around 10:45ish, we exited from this particular trade with almost 1:4 profit. Hero Motocorp. Hero Motocorp, one of the stock that we went on the sell side. We went on the sell side. Although we triggered the entry at around 9:25, but we booked our profit almost at around 2:30ish, because it was sideways stock for the rest of the day, and it gave a nice fall later, and then it came down. NTPC was the one that is forming, that was having a bonus setup. This strategy I usually trade. I started trading just a few months ago, and it is really successful. That's why I have included into this masterclass. To know more about the masterclass, you can message me on the Telegram. The link is in the description box, and I will give you the further details how to enroll. The enrollment for the masterclass and also the coaching for the masterclass is purely on one-on-one basis. It's not on batch to batch, it's purely one-on-one. So it's going to be you and it's going to be me only, because I usually don't conduct the classes in a bulk, whether the student can ignore their learning completely. Here it's only one-on-one, and that's it, completely focused. 7 days of learning, 1 hour each, particularly from afternoon to evening. I have few slots open. You can book them and you can ask me what are the fees and everything. The Sri Cement was the second stock we looked for into short side. Almost 300 to 300 points of profit booked into the Sri Cement. Very well done. At around 11:30 East, we exited from this trade and we were done for the day. It's purely price action setups, guys. You don't have to. If you want to be an independent trader, if you want to trade by yourself, if you don't want to rely on the tip providers, and if you don't want to use any indicators, then this is the masterclass that is designed for you guys only. No indicators, it just gives you a nice unidirectional movement straight. When I use on TVS motor, based on the formation of first couple of candles, almost half an hour, you can say there was nothing happening into this stock, and we also not traded this stock, though it was up and down and up and down. So based on first couple of candles, we decide it's going to go up or not. Right? So out of 9 stocks, almost 5 stocks, they were nicely moved from top to bottom or bottom to top. And if you want to know more about that, message me on Telegram. The link is in the description box. So what about the Nifty and Bank Nifty? What about the call option, put option of the Nifty? How you trade them? So this is why I have included into this masterclass, along with the Amibroker. I will teach you personally the order flow. The order flow will teach you order flow will tell you the inside of the market. It will tell you what are the buyers, how many are buyers, how many are the sellers, and based on the movement of buyer and sellers, you can actually be on the same side of them. Doesn't matter. It's gonna be you sell the call or you sell the put. Doesn't matter. You buy the call or you buy the put, but you will be one of the smart trader to be with the big traders. So order flow tool is individually is available at around a high cost of around 30 to 40,000 rupees right now. But I will include this particular order flow tool completely at free of cost into the Amibroker Pro Masterclass. So you will get 5 strategies, 5 stock selection, Amibroker Scanner for lifetime, and the Ninja Trader order flow tool along with the learning, and that is included only on one-on-one basis. So if you want to know more about it, the pricing and everything, please do message me on the Telegram. I will be more than happy to assist with you. Also, you want to know more about this Amibroker scanner. I will teach you. I will tell you how exactly it works. It's 7 days of class, 1 hour each. Very limited spots are available. Join us today, and thank you for your time.